Are you saying Bible? I think that's Bible. That's the closest thing that Mom and Dad can figure out. Nathan? What's Dad's word called? That we read? And you got distracted. I love you, Nathan. I know that whisk is just so much fun. Okay, one more time. One more time.